Hi, my dear viewers. Actually, today I have come up with the same topic. If you have, seriously, if you had in views in previous session, I have today's continuation part of yesterday's session. Today, I would like to talking about the discussing material peripheral detail about the China. If you're looking at the country of China, the border tension both the countries, it is every single minute it has been rising minutes as per me, we can say absolutely. And further things I would like to today discussing about the China's, how the two peaks or more than two peaks was occupied by the Indian soldiers in um, that's Gilwan Ghats, that one, that is the section. And if you look at the into our Indian army forces, special force was tasked by the Indian army. If you look at the special forces in India army, which is the formed by the our Indian soldiers, Tibetans or some of the people, which is yes adopted for the special force formed in separate section. They have kept under their military credentials, and these military credentials of super forming team, which is they have destroying the China's the attacking parts of the particular Galwan. Previous sessions we have explained about that one, and they have planned that before only their peaks, they have China was planned to attacking in India's another sector in board, that is China India LAC board, both the countries in between the places they have before only planned. But in our special force of Taiwan peoples, we do having some neutral forces in India's special army forces. We can observe on this information, and this special armed force, and before only attacking China will attacking all those the guessing part of Indian intelligence has given the one of the huge intention information regards China has looking into these places, uh, that is Rias places and Plum, all those places in Ladakh LACs. If you look at it, India's special force of already India has prepared to, they will be attacking as soon as possible, in the sense before only they have arrived on the special task forces on those places, and they have recovered and they have completely occupied the whole peaks as well as in mountains. But when the China has before only, I have told you that China has before only planned to attacking in so India's particular one of the some places they have planned, but Indian intelligence forces have before only they have known well known about these plans, and India's intelligence agency has planned to, they have surprised by the whole plan into the China has come forward to attacking before only they have rescued the our whole peaks. They have already occupied by the special Tibetan one of the four cities. The special force before only they have occupied by the whole place. And when China's army has comes to that places for the occupying purpose, they have watched all those things. That time, absolutely, it was occupied by the Indian special forces. They can't do nothing.